Today we're dividing polynomials using long division. Tomorrow we'll be taking objective number 2. So let's get this baby started. Alright, when you've got this type of situation where you've got a polynomial divided by a monomial like this, what you need to do is basically just take this and break it up. So what I'm going to do is I've got 5a squared b over 5ab, move that to the bottom, then minus 15 a b to the third, just bring this over, put it over 5ab again, then plus 10 a to the third b to the fourth over 5ab. So what you'll notice here is that everything on top right over here matches this top right there, and everything's over that bottom. Now do what we did yesterday, just simplify each one. 5 divided by 5 is 1, a squared divided by a is a, b divided by b is 1. So we have 1 times a times 1, which is just a. Then minus 15 divided by 5 is 3, a divided by a is 1, b to the third divided by b is b squared, then plus 10 divided by 5 is 2, a to the third divided by a is a squared, and b to the fourth divided by b is b to the third. And that's how you're going to do every one of them. That's just being divided by a monomial. Now we're going to take a look at what to do when you're dividing a polynomial by a binomial, such as this. You're going to go back to using division like you did a long time ago in elementary school. Alright, the first number is going to go inside our division box. So I've got x squared minus 2x minus 15. Alright, make your box around that. This is long division. Take this and put it outside. X minus 5. Now just begin asking a series of questions on this. How many times does x go into x squared? Or in other words, x times what is x squared? The correct answer, of course, is x. X times x is x squared. So now we're going to multiply this x times both the x and the minus 5. X times x is x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. And then, of course, we're going to take, just like we did a long time ago, and subtract that from what's above. X squared minus x squared, that's 0. Negative 2x minus negative 5x. In other words, negative 2x plus 5x. That gets us 3x. And then, of course, we're going to bring down this minus 15. And we're going to go through the process again. X times what is equal to 3x? That would be a positive 3. So I'll put a positive 3. And now multiply plus 3 times x minus 5. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. And now we'll go ahead and subtract this from what's above it. And there's no remainder. So the solution here, x squared minus 2x minus 15 divided by x minus 5 is equal to x plus 3. Alright? Now, the next one is what we do in case there's a remainder. I really don't like this problem, so I'm just going to make one up for you here. Let's suppose that I've got x squared plus 5x minus 4. Will that work? Yeah, that should work just fine. And I want to divide that by x plus 2. Okay, so we're going to take the first one and put it in the box. X squared plus 5x minus 4. X plus 2 goes outside the box. And just like we did previously, get this right, MD, there you go. Just like we did previously, now we're going to go through this series of questions. X times what is x squared? The answer is x. X times x is x squared. Now we'll multiply x times x plus 2. That's going to give us x times x is x squared. X times 2 is plus 2x. And now we're going to go through and subtract. So 5x minus 2x, of course, is 3x. I'm going to bring down my minus 4 now. X times what is equal to 3x? That would be 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. And now I'm going to subtract, just like I did in the previous example. Negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. And 3x, of course, minus 3x is nothing, so leave that blank. This is a remainder. There's nothing else to bring down, so what do? We take this remainder. That's negative 10. I write it like this. There's my negative. I'm going to make it a fraction. Put the 10 on top. And this thing right here, x plus 2, is going to go on bottom. So, x squared plus 5x minus 4 divided by x plus 2 is equal to x plus 3 minus 10 over x plus 2.